Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. In today's video, I am going to do 3 simple projects to share with you. I have recently went to my local dollar store and found this beautiful bucket. It's already painted, it's already really pretty. There's not a whole lot to be done to this, but I want to put my little own taste and finishing touch to it. So I'm going to do this project with you. I also found this at my local thrift store. There's 3 of these canister cans, and I absolutely love them. They're metal and they're already beautiful. There's not a whole lot to do to this, but I'm just going to kind of label them. And I also found to my local thrift store this big platter. And I am going to beautify this. So if you want to see what I'm doing with these 3 projects, just grab your tea and let's get started. I have made some stencils for my cans, and I'm just going to go ahead right now and apply that onto my 3 cans. The font that I used is called Ray Dunn. I'm in love with this font and I have it all over my home, so I'm going to use it for my 3 cans for my bathroom. I'm going to put my cans side by side so I can put them approximately around the same height on my cans. I'm not too fussy about that, but I'm going to try my best to have them on the same position on my cans. Now my 3 cans are done and they are beautiful. This will be a nice little touch to my bathroom. It's very simple. It's just a finishing touch to it because they were already beautiful to start with. Now I made a stencil for my flower bucket as well, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my bucket. And just to give it a little bit of a rustic look, on the back I am gonna glue some rope, and I'm gonna go all around the bucket to fill this kind of 2 grooves to give myself like a trim of rope around it. Now I'm back on the back of my can. I am going to glue this end rope right here, and I'm going to cut it off. And I am just going to go ahead and decorate this bucket with some flowers. Any flowers of your choice will work. I am going to use yellow, as spring is hopefully coming soon, and yellow makes me happy. Now the first thing I'm going to do with this silver platter is give it a coat of chalk paint in white, and then I am going to let it dry, and I'm going to reapply 2 more coats. So I'm doing 3 coats all together to give myself a really nice fill in and really a nice finish. Now I have a really nice coverage on my platter, and I'm ready to put in the stencils that I made on my Cricut machine, just to make it really farmhouse looking. I am going to put this in the kitchen, so just as a decor. I'm not going to use it with food. I'm just using this as a decor. And here's the platter all completed. It's a beautiful decorative piece for a kitchen. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Give me the thumbs up, and please let me know in the comment below which one of the three was your favorite.